Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. This is a tour watch from the Random Rob Patreon group. This is called the Huge Diver, but I actually don't know anything more about it than that. Basically sign up for any tour watch that I can to share with you guys. I don't know if I'll like this or not, but we'll find out together. Still wearing my Casio vibration alarm. Forgot the model number on this one, but I'll be doing a video on it soon enough. I didn't cut all the tape out on this yet. So let's see what this huge diver is all about. Got a cardboard outer sleeve here. Let's get it out off the box. Looks kind of like a treasure chest, I guess. So I'm assuming the S is silent. Szanto watch. I've not seen a box like this before. It's pretty neat, actually. So the Szanto SZ5101. Oops, $295 retail there. Yeah, this thing is gigantic. Well, huge. Let's zoom in here. And let me get some measurements on this real quick. Actually, before I do that, let me compare it to my SKX here. I had to look around for a moment. So the SKX is 42 millimeter and 13 thick. This guy is quite a bit larger than that. So let's just take some measurements on it real quick. So case diameter looks to be about 48. Lug to lug on this, 55.7. Yeah, this thing is gigantic, huge. It's the largest watch I think I've ever had my hands on. I did have a Boulder bronze. I think it's called the Odyssey. That was pretty large, but I think this thing is even larger yet. So obviously it's quartz, 500 meter dive, water resistant rating, which I think that's the same as that Odyssey that I had. The bezel is not too bad. I can move it a little bit with just finger pressure. Actually, I can move it quite a bit with just one finger pressure. So it might be a little bit loose. It's not an actual dive watch anyway, but it's a dive style watch. Screw down crown, obviously. Man, the crown is huge too. 8.2 millimeter crown. Sticks out, I don't know, about 5.5 millimeter. So let's look at the case back. Actually, sorry, one more thing. It's probably got 24 millimeter lug width here. Yep, 24. And I don't think it tapers at all. It's basically 24 all the way down. So let's take a look at the case back, and I'll get it on wrist, and that'll be the video. It looks like I can see the loom right now, but it's just the way it's colored. Set up my UV light real quick. Get some daytime loom. There we go. Actually, this kind of reminds me of my Citizen Ecozilla. So I'll do a video with comparing those two to each other. So I may have misspoken about the largest watch. I forgot I had that Ecozilla. So here on the back it says 316L stainless steel, Japan quartz movement, 500 meter water resistant. And actually, speaking of that Ecozilla, I'm not sure what that's rated to for depth either. I've not worn it that much. That's usually how it goes with my watches. I don't really wear them as much as I should. Alright, let's get this thing on wrist. It's going to be comical on my wrist because I have a 52 millimeter wristband and this thing was, I think it was 56 lug to lug. Can't remember what I just measured. Okay, yeah, so I think there's one more hole position left there. Let's get it all the way down to the last position. There we go. So again, I have a 6.5 inch wrist with the 52 millimeter wristband. And this thing's just gigantic on my wrist, but that's the fun of having a huge dive watch like this. So it's really not that, it's not as awkward as I thought it would be. This might be a fun weekend watch. So anyway, let me know what you think of this watch. Is this something you would buy for MSRP on this was just under $300. It's quartz, but I don't mind quartz as much as I used to. I used to just be all automatic, but quartz is perfectly fine. I don't know if this is a sapphire or mineral crystal, but I'll look that up and we'll get into all that in a full review. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.